Welcome back to my channel. Before we go into the video to see how to create a YouTube channel, I'd like you to go back and watch the video that I uploaded on how to create a YouTube account, because it is from your YouTube account that you can be able to create a YouTube channel that can be monetized. So it's good that you have to go back and watch that video if you did not watch that video on how to create a YouTube account. Alright, with this I'll be explaining steps on how to create a YouTube channel, so you have to watch until the end of the video so that you don't miss out on the steps that will be shown in this video on how to create a YouTube channel. And please do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on videos that I will be uploading in the future. When I upload a new video, you should be the first to get the notification. With this, let's get started. Open your YouTube application. If you are in U tab, you can continue, or if you are in Home tab, then you have to tap on the U tab, enter the U tab, and then you tap on Create Channel right at the top. Alright, from there, the first thing that you have to do is insert your profile picture. You can choose gallery, or using your phone camera, you can take a new photo and upload it. Next thing is your name. Tap on that pencil to edit your name if you want to, or if you don't want to edit your name, leave your name as it is and you save. Your handle. Now this is very important. We'll just look at the importance of this, the YouTube handle. I'd like you to go through the definition of the YouTube handle, and I'll give you time until you finish reading these definitions and see the uses of the YouTube handle, because this handle is important when you want to monetize your YouTube channel. Alright, so choosing the kind of handle that you are going to put there is very important. You must know what it is and what it is used for. YouTube handle is different from your YouTube name, YouTube channel name, or YouTube account name. It must be a unique one so that it won't mix around with other YouTube channels. So you must have a unique YouTube handle. Alright, after choosing the right handle, you save it and then tap on the Create Channel button, and there you go, you are done. Your channel is now created, and you should be able to enter your account, see your channel has been created, and now you are ready to upload videos. You can go straight, tap on videos, and then you tap on create. You can upload short video clips, or you tap on video, select the video from your gallery and upload into your YouTube channel. Now I will be uploading another video on how to promote your YouTube channel to help you meet the requirements for monetization. So subscribe to my channel so that when I upload new videos, you should be the first to get the notification.